Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to change currency in Temu application. So in order to change the currency, you must first own the application and you must have account in the application. I already have both, so I'm directly gonna go and tap on my Temu application. So once you tap on your Temu application, you get to this page where you'll have to go and tap on U option that is written at the bottom center. So once you tap on the icon, you get to this page where you'll have to go and tap on the settings option. So once you tap on the settings option, you can go and tap on the currency option to check what your present currency is. So it is presently in pounds. So you can go back and change it into the currency you wish. So once you go back, now you'll have to go and tap on country and region option. Search your country and then you'll have to tap on the country. For an example, if I want to change the currency to US dollars, I'll have to go and tap on United States. So it asks if we really want to switch or not. So you'll have to go and tap on switch to United States. So once you tap there, you'll have to log in again. So in order to switch to United States, so you'll have to go and update your email ID. So once you type your email ID, you'll have to tap on continue. And then you'll have to enter your password with minimum 6 characters. And once you type your password, you'll have to go and tap on the register option. Now in order to check if your currency has been changed or not, you'll have to go and tap on the settings option again and then tap on the country and region. Here you can see the United States has been selected. You can go back and then tap on currency option where you'll find that currency is now in US dollars. So that is how you change currency on Temu application. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for joining in.